Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in innovative crafts and toys. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with the Cool Maker Neon Stitch in Style Fashion Studio. This isn't just any sewing kit, it's the ultimate creative tool for young designers looking to unleash their style. Right off the bat, let me tell you why this is the best stitch in style fashion studio you can find right now. Priced affordably at just under $30, this kit comes packed with everything you need to create stylish accessories. Whether you're into making a clutch, a coin pouch, or even a trendy headband, this kit has you covered. What sets this apart is its ease of use. You don't need to worry about threading. Simply pop in the pre-threaded cartridge, and you're ready to sew. Perfect for beginners and aspiring fashionistas alike. Let's talk features. The Cool Maker Neon Stitch in Style Fashion Studio boasts smart stitch sensors that make sewing a breeze. Just place your fabric, and the machine does the rest, automatically starting and stopping when needed. It's like having a built-in assistant for your sewing projects. And if customization is your thing, you'll love the exclusive water transfer prints included. These let you add unique designs to your creations with just a splash of water. It's a fantastic way to personalize your accessories and make them truly one of a kind. Now, let's address who this product is perfect for. Aimed at kids aged 8 and up, it's a fantastic introduction to the world of fashion design and DIY crafting. Whether they're making gifts for friends or simply exploring their own creativity, this kit provides hours of fun and learning. Parents, here's why you'll love it too. Not only does it keep kids engaged and away from screens, but it also fosters skills like hand-eye coordination, patience, and creativity. Plus, with its compact size and battery operation, it's perfect for crafting on the go or at home. In conclusion, if you're looking to inspire creativity and teach practical skills in a fun way, the Cool Maker Neon Stitch in Style Fashion Studio is your go-to choice. It's not just a toy, it's a tool for learning and self-expression. That wraps up our review of the Cool Maker Neon Stitch in Style Fashion Studio. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and creative inspiration. Until next time, keep crafting.